I have always wanted to try fufu. It's in a box. It has instructions. How hard can it be? Looks like a cake mix. Smell. I don't know what that smell is. Very powdery. Ooh, very powdery. That baby powder, that's how smooth and soft it is. Thinking to myself, how they put Jamaican stuff in a box, like our potato pudding and our cornmeal pudding, and they don't taste right. I wonder if it's the same thing for this. Just a thought. I know things in boxes don't normally give you an authentic taste, but it's the closest thing I'm gonna get to fufu because my Nigerian friend moved away. I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. Let's see. Let's find out. What is that a boil? So this is my 1 cup fufu. I'm gonna add it to the pot, right? Put that in the stove. Stop. It's not right enough. This thing will take hand strength, so I know. Let me add more water to it. I'm sure I watch 2 videos. Let me add much water now. This don't look smooth. There's something wrong with this. It's supposed to be shiny. I said Jamaican and me make me not watch no video. Because the Jamaican and me say me can do it. Me can must carry the instructions and do it. Why it's so lumpy? Eat it. Eat it. Can't go no further. Like, why it's so lumpy? It's supposed to so lumpy? I don't think so. No. It's just real lumps though. I think I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna try it again.